Hey everyone, look, it's blue. I'm going to do a flip and drag on a different color today. This is an 8x20 canvas, and we're going to be using some turquoise colors with black and silver. I was thinking about doing just black and silver to see what would happen, but it really needs a contrast. So I already sprayed my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. And I'm going to go in with the black first. And then I'm going to go in with the Grumbacher turquoise green. I think it'll be a nice contrast because I really want the black to show up. And then I'll do the Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue hue. And then a black again. And then some silver. This is that sterling silver from Deco Art. It likes to react really cool with the black. And I'm just going to do a tiny little swirl. I'm using a little more paint than usual because I definitely want the black to show up. So I'm going to pop it in the middle and wait for that paint to drop. And I'll poke my holes to release that suction, so I can glide on top of that paint without rubbing that canvas too much. Got a little bit coming out from under, that's kind of cool. Alright, so give it a wiggle and just start gliding. And I am hitting canvas for some reason. Nothing ever behaves for me. So now this is the same like with the white. You can go back in and move. Tap all the color off your cup. Coat your edge with the sky blue in this case. I do want to bring a little bit this way, so I'm going to try to grab a little black. Okay. I think we're good. Oops, got a little black on there. So this ought to be cool. Let's stretch it out and see what happens when we do that. Of course, all of our paint is in those areas, which is fine. So I'm going to rock it down and see if I can get just a little color in that area, and then I'm going to pull back. You don't want to get all wonky wonk. Alright. And now we're going to airbrush. Let's see what we can do with this. It's throwing me off because it's blue. I do like it though. I have a glare that I can't see the edge on my lighting. Now if you wanted to do this without blowing it out, you could use a little more paint so that you can stretch it to get a little more black on your edges there. I try not to use too much paint on these flip and drags because I don't like them to take over the canvas. I like the negative space to be there. So that looks pretty right there by itself. So you can see I'm just grabbing that edge and pushing it out. It's a lot of walking back and forth with your airbrush to bring in, come out. And do you see how that did that? I don't like that at all. But you can tap it and wipe it off, and it will help it sink. black will sink, so. So you really want to try to push out where the big doses of color are. And when you don't have something interesting, that's when you can really move it out, break it up. We have so many people that are purchasing airbrushes out of the Amazon shop, and it just thrills me because I know you guys are going to be doing this. It's so much fun. It just does so much more for a painting than leaving it plain. Look how pretty that looks on blue. I can't wait to see what color it is when it's dry. I hope it doesn't get too dark. But I'm going to leave it right there because I really do like it like that. So if you're new, click that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you'll get notified when we upload our next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. You can meet a lot of artists there and see some beautiful works of art. And we talk about other stuff too, what's going on in the art world and in our lives as well. Join my art page, Christina Welch Art on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have the airbrush and everything in there. Cups, paint, you name it, it's in there. And if you're interested in purchasing our paintings, they are available in our Etsy shop. That link is below. And also, if you want to send Alan a gadget to paint with on Monday nights, because we are Monday Night Live every Monday at 9. You can come in and chit-chat while we paint. We have a blast, actually. We get to laughing pretty hard. And also, the fan mail box address is there if you want to send a gadget to Alan or to me, doesn't matter. Or something we can use on the channel. I have gotten quite a few supplies that way. And our PayPal link is below as well if you want to sponsor the channel. We do quarterly giveaways for our sponsors. And we always let the winner, the first place winner, pick a painting out of the Etsy shop. So yeah, it's pretty fun. We have a great time on our channel. And we love all of our subscribers. So keep watching, share the videos. If you can choke it up, suck it up, watch those ads. It helps us build our revenue so we can purchase more things for this. We call it the Pourage. But I appreciate every single one of you with all my heart. We never would have gotten this far without you. So have a great day, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.